Hey guys, so I'm gonna go sleep, but I have to sleep different today. So today I'm gonna sleep under the bed. So let's get right into it. See, there's no monsters there. Or yeah, okay. I think there's no monsters there. Alright, let's see. Yeah. I think it's sleep enough, so yeah, let's go. Okay, now I'll sleep there forever. Now let's go to sleep. What can I smell? I smell a shark puppet. There it is. I see a shark puppet. So now, let's take it. This is what you get for pay for not giving me your cheese.